and overall the sector in the state of Meghalaya, as well as throughout the region, and I'm sure throughout the country. When I was approached with the requirement to support this particular league by the president of the MFA, I didn't even take a second to actually approve it and to support it. And the reason is because I know what MFA has been doing for the betterment of football and to give the opportunity to our sports persons to really follow their passion and, more importantly, even build up a career through football. And therefore, when this entire proposal came in, it made a lot of sense to me.